Hey, what's up, you guys? It is TJ, and I'm back with another video. This week, I only caught two good setups, and I'm just going to break those down for you guys. So, the first setup was on Tuesday. There was a huge push once news broke. There was a huge push to the downside, and I saw where there was a pullback. Initially, I was looking for uh, price to come back up here. However, I saw where price created a created supply right here, supply zone right here. So I just waited for I got everything ready, created my I drew in the zone and just waited for price to come back to that area and show you guys how that looked. So price did tap back in that area and kind of wanted to wait for price to give me this setup. And once I saw this and there was a rejection, it looked like we're under the 200, we're under the looks like the 50 MA, and we're under the 13 MA. Price looked like it was going at least going back down to this demand area right here. So I jumped in for a 1-to-1. I'll show you guys. Jumped in this area, and the rest was history. Okay, guys. So here's the second setup I took for the week. This was on Wednesday. Um, it's a little tricky for me. It was a break-even trade because I saw some trickiness going on, and I just wasn't confident. I jumped out and I jumped back in, but I'll still go through the trade with you guys. And so there was already a push to the upside, and I spotted a demand. I was looking for price to come back to this area, but price actually stopped right here. So let's move a little forward. So price pulled back, and I didn't jump into trade because on the 15 minute we were hitting, we were right here at the 200 EMA. So I didn't know if there was going to be a rejection or price was going to continue up on the upside. However, I was confident that it was going to push up on the upside, but um, as we went on or continued, price just kind of consolidated. And so I was like, oh no, we're going to wait for a while. We're not going to jump in. But I did jump in, and I'll show you guys where I jumped in. So we went through all this consolidation. So we had that big red candle, and so I didn't think the trade was over, but I thought price was headed downward. But we had this good push. So once this smart candle was printed, uh, I did go in for a 1-to-1, and I'll let you guys see how it went and show you guys where I jumped out. So I did jump out because um, I just didn't like how price was moving. For one, price was chopping through the candles, and I saw where the 13 EMA was kind of flat, and so I didn't like that. And I know we had it did hit a supply zone up here, but I did go out. I did get out of the trade because it did close under the 13 EMA. I wanted to save capital, so that's basically why I jumped out just in case. So I did jump back in, and I was able to recover what I lost for jumping out of the market. I'll show you guys, but it's very tricky. So there you guys have it. That was my trade breakdown for the week. I did end the week with I think $450, which is not bad. I'm still up, and so I'm thankful for that. Until next week, guys, I want you guys to enjoy life and just enjoy everything. And till next time.